Hi, welcome back. Budgie 1 here. So I've been noticing that this channel has been growing very fast over the last couple of days, and I've been receiving a lot of love and support, and for that I just want to give back. So with that being said, once we reach 50,000 subscribers, one lucky person will receive a free rainbow budgie free of cost shipped to you. Subscribe and details will be coming very soon. And for whoever the lucky person is, good luck and thank you all for watching. Welcome back, Budgie 1 here. How may I help you? What can I get for you today? Would you like a Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich? Or how about a Popeyes chicken sandwich? Or how about a knuckle sandwich? Cause no one cares. So today we're going to be combining both situations, both Opals clutch and Cotton and Percy's clutch in the same video so that I won't spam you guys with videos. And so I don't have to edit 2 videos. I don't know what I'm talking about right now because my birds are chirping too loud and I can't hear my own thoughts right now. Y'all pray for me. Let's get into the video. Right there is Opal's beautiful babies. Well, not really beautiful to regular people, but you guys know I'm not a normal person. When I was little, they did used to look ugly to me. They still kind of do look like aliens, but I like aliens. They're friendly. That one is full. Okay, you was hanging on by your neck. Okay, that one has food. Oh, that one has food as well. What? She must have bit you by accident. You got bit by your own mother? Wow. This one I'm kind of worried about, but it should be good. She wasn't feeding this one at first as well, but now he's starting to get some food. You can tell by the way his feet looks. They're very skinny toes compared to, well, I don't have any other chick to compare it to, but I just know that he or she wasn't getting fed a lot. This is just an extra eggshell from the baby that hatched today. Just throw that down here. And this is the remaining egg. I really don't know what this one is. He just keeps hanging on from everything. Like, what? I just can't keep hanging on. I'm just trying to get a close-up of the wings, feathers. He's falling and he can't get up. Just sit upright. Oh, he's falling and he can't get up. There you go. See, that wasn't hard. But now you're... Maybe these chicks are very handicapped right now. I'm trying to help them and they can't even help themselves. He's acting like he wants to get splayed legs or something, but we're gonna fix that before he gets too old. He's very young right now, so that's fixable if it is splayed legs. But the way his legs kick out like that, they can make them have splayed legs. So maybe he wants his brother back. I'm sorry I took your brother or sister away from you. Oh. All he wanted was a little sibling love. He shut up. Those 3 are doing very good, and the remaining egg, I might have to give to Cotton, and hopefully by the time that one Cotton, she just laid eggs. Pray for Cotton's eggs, guys. Okay, guys, so like after the dirt chick hatched, which is that one right there, that's his little ankle. It's a little ashy, but it still helps him get around. Um, After that one hatched, that's when the fourth one, she was barely noticing because this one was getting big. Also, that one was getting big, and when the babies hatch, they're way smaller than the third one. So she barely noticed it, and she was picking on which one she was wanting to feed, which is usually the older chicks because they're more noticeable. And yeah, so I gave those two to Cotton and Percy. So we're about to go to those right now. Okay, so we have made it to Cotton and Percy's dungeon, and that's Percy right there. Um you guys, he made it for the first time. Let me show you guys.
He needs some milk.
Okay, so the first time he did it, it was successful. The second, third, and fourth time it was not, but the fifth time it was. The cries are that you hear are from Opal and Splash's chicks. Cotton is in there probably feeding them or probably not feeding them. I really don't know. I haven't checked since this morning, since I put them in. But we're gonna check right now. So I don't want to disturb her if she's feeding. I'm gonna wait and come back. Okay, now she's done feeding. I didn't want to disturb her because I didn't want to be one of those people who don't knock before entering, and she could have been in there naked. I don't know. So can you come out for me? She looks mad. Please don't go back in. Please come out. No. Do you want to build a snowman? You want to ride a bike around the halls? I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you gone away. We used to be best buddies, but now we're not. What? No, do you want to build? You don't want to build a snowman with me? Please don't bite my finger. That would be messed up if you bit my finger, girl. And I just drop this nest box and suddenly all of your eggs die. Okay. Oh, Cotton. You're such a nice Wait, are those babies not fed? I put you in there to do one job, Missy. We're gonna have to closely examine because last time I thought the chicks were not fed from this camera, and they actually were. Can you come out for me? Thank you so much. Okay, so those 3 eggs are hers. Let me take it out so I can get a better view. Okay. No, it's not fed. Nervous. Anxiety is kicking in. That's just a little lump, not fed at all. I'm very, very nervous now. I thought she was feeding them, but she wasn't. Cotton, what are you doing, girl? Okay, guys. I really thought Cotton was feeding those chicks. I was really going to show you guys them full and happy and bigger than they was this morning, but she ain't even touched them. All she did was sit her warm behind on the chicks. And I can only see where it's going from here. I'm going to have to hand feed some baby budgies. I'm going to be stressed out. I'm too young to be getting wrinkles. Y'all pray for me. She don't even care. I'm calling Bird CPS on her.